Voyager 1, that spacecraft that decades in the past took off from our planet on an almost impossible venture, continues to journey past the bounds we once thought insurmountable. It has traveled thousands and thousands and tens of millions of kilometers, crossing regions of space where no other spacecraft has gone before. But today, Voyager 1 has just sent back information that defies everything we thought we knew. On the fringe of our solar system, in an area called the heliopause, Voyager 1 has recorded something scientists are calling an impossible discovery. Released in 1977, Voyager 1 had a clear mission to explore the outermost planets of our solar system, gather data, and someday possibly cross that invisible boundary that separates our solar system from interstellar space. After flying over Jupiter and Saturn, sending us unparalleled images and data, Voyager 1 continued its journey into the unknown void. In 2012, it became the first man-made object to formally leave the solar system, crossing the heliopause and entering interstellar space. But now, more than 47 years after its launch, Voyager 1 has amazed us once again. It has detected something at the edge of our solar system, something scientists never imagined. The heliopause is the boundary that marks the end of our sun's influence. Beyond this barrier, the solar wind vanishes and the interstellar vacuum takes over. But what does it truly mean to cross this boundary? What lurks on the other side? The heliosphere, a protective bubble created by the solar wind, keeps us safe from many dangerous particles coming from the galaxy. By crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 has been exposed to phenomena we've never before studied so closely, phenomena that today seem to defy our laws of physics. Recent data from Voyager 1 has puzzled scientists. They have detected fluctuations in the magnetic field, a sort of vibration in interstellar space that until now had no explanation. This is surprising because, in theory, the magnetic field in that region should be almost constant. But these changes suggest that there is unknown activity at the brink of the heliopause, something that until now we had no way of detecting. Scientists believe it might be an unknown type of energy, or even an indication that there are forces in deep space beyond our current understanding. What is really happening at the edge of our solar system? Some scientists believe these fluctuations in the magnetic field could be a structure of energy. We have never recorded a kind of echo from the deep universe. But the theories get even more perplexing. Could it be that something outside is interacting directly with the solar system? We are faced with the possibility that these magnetic vibrations are responses to phenomena outside the solar system. It is as though the very fringe of the heliosphere is responding to a push from outer space. The signals are weak but repetitive, and they present patterns we have not observed before. Another fascinating hypothesis suggests that the heliopause might be being squeezed by some form of energy stream from the Milky Way or perhaps beyond. These currents might be caused by stellar winds from nearby stars, or possibly by a far more distant and unexplained phenomenon. If this is true, we may be discovering not only a new physical interaction, but also the possibility that the solar system is connected to other parts of the galaxy through these currents. For some scientists, this phenomenon isn't just a finding, it is a real wake-up call. Voyager may be detecting an energy grid or something similar at the fringe of our solar system. If these energy streams exist, we are seeing for the first time how the solar system connects to the galaxy on a scale we had not anticipated. This could drastically change our understanding of energy in the universe. Imagine that these forces or energy currents create invisible bridges between stars and star systems, allowing active interaction between different regions of the galaxy. If true, we might be on the verge of discovering a fundamental structure of the universe, one that stretches across space and connects the entire galaxy in a cosmic web. The Voyager 1 mission has been a journey of no return into the unknown. With every signal it sends, it reminds us how little we understand about the boundaries of our own system. And even though its instruments were designed in the 1970s, their value in space exploration has exceeded all expectations. Voyager 1's technology is antiquated compared to what we have today, but it remains our best tool at the frontier of the solar system. It is recording phenomena we had not even predicted when it was launched, and it remains our only witness in that distant region. Despite being more than 23 billion km from us, Voyager 1 continues to send back valuable information. Each tiny signal we receive is like a distant call from a cosmic frontier. Voyager 1's discoveries drive us to continue exploring to create spacecraft capable of going even farther and uncovering the secrets of the universe. As Voyager shows us the way, humanity prepares to take the next step in interstellar exploration. With each piece of data Voyager 1 sends back, we get a bit closer to the time when people too can cross that frontier. Perhaps one day we will make it across the heliopause and discover what's truly beyond the edge of the solar system. And not to be missed is a remark from Elon Musk, one of the most influential visionaries in the field of space technology. Elon has closely followed the Voyager 1 breakthroughs and discoveries, and, in his own words, this discovery represents a warning call for humanity. Musk has expressed that this Voyager data should accelerate our efforts to develop interstellar spacecraft capable of overcoming the current limitations of space technology.